Computer general knowledge. Scanner is an input device. Monitors look like a television. Printer is used to take printout from the computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. We can use computer to do all types of calculation. Computer is a man-made device. CPU is the brain of the computer. Floppy is a storage device. Keyboard is used to type numbers and alphabet. RAM is a temporary memory. Numeric keys are used to type numbers. Microphone is used to record sound in a computer. We can play games in a computer. Monitor is called a computer screen. We can browse the internet using a computer. Speaker and earphone are used to hear music. Alphabetic keys are used to type letters. A mouse is a pointing device. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Computer is an electronic device. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.